Spontaneous. Happening or done in a natural and sudden way. We had no plans to do it. It was a spontaneous thing.
You must be Rand.
Huh?
I've heard so much about your journey. Shh. Let the anger go. Here, have a lotus. I don't put these in my pockets. They just grow there spontaneously.
This will...
Prosper. To become successful, especially financially. Businesses across the state are prospering.
I am a brave woman, and I care nothing of death. I will gladly lay this body into the fires of hell if it means that future generations might live and prosper.
Inane. Very stupid or without much meaning. There are too many inane quiz shows on television these days.
Applicant is attempting to blackmail interviewer showing low moral character.
Interviewer is threatening applicant with an arbitrary review process.
Applicant is wasting everyone's time with stupid and inane accusations.
Interviewer.
Arid. Having little rain, very dry. The desert is so arid that nothing can grow there.
The video takes place in a field in what is clearly summer.
Quagmire, many parts of the world are arid during the holy season, including where Jesus was born. Or perhaps the...
Hideous. Extremely ugly or bad. The bathroom was pink and green and silver. It was absolutely hideous.
Anyway, I would be honored if you took a look at my building.
This is hideous. You'll never be an architect. You'll never be.
Forgo. To give up or do without. Who would forgo the chance of a winter in Rome?
As a partner in the company, I am prepared to forego my salary for the next 3 months, but even then, we're going to need some sort of miracle.
What are we doing?
Hassle. To annoy someone, especially by repeatedly asking them something. The children keep hassling me to take them to Disneyland.
You didn't call him.
Well, you just gave me his number, so I'm going to. Just give me a minute. I'm working on it.
You're working on making a call?
Babe, why are you hassling me about this?
You know, I asked you if you called the person. It's whatever.
And I will.
Resignation. The act of leaving a job or position. If you say you're leaving, I won't accept your resignation.
Wow, that was impressively stupid.
I know, right? So what was it you wanted to tell me?
Just wanted to say goodbye. I turned in my resignation. I quit the force.
What? Oh! Ah!
Startle. To make someone suddenly surprised or shocked. She was concentrating on her book and his voice startled her.
Sorry, didn't mean to startle you. I just make that noise sometimes when I'm hungry.
Yeah, well...
Appalling. Shocking and very bad. Prisoners were kept in the most appalling conditions.
Really, her manners are appalling.